In this video, I will show how to convert exiting categories to tags or tags to categories in WordPress website. So search this plugin, categories to tags converter. So very simple and easy way. Search this plugin, install and activate this plugin. This is the popular and easy to use plugin. As we can see here, a good number of active installation. So just you have to activate. After activation, go cursor to tools, then import. Here you will see option categories and tag converter. So click on run importer. Here you can selectively convert exiting categories to tags. To get started, check the categories you wish to be converted, then click the convert button. Keep in mind that if you convert a category with child categories, the children become top level orphans. So as we can see, we have these three category. If you want to convert this category to tag, select it, then click on convert categories to tags. That's it. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.